In this tutorial, I will show you the secret to activate Badoo Premium for free. You can see here, I got Premium and how you can get it. Simple. Follow this tutorial. For the first method, you can open your Badoo app and you will see here dashboard like this. Click on that profile icon that's showing right bottom side. It will show you this profile here where you will see these different plans like Badoo Extra, Badoo Premium and many more. But you have to click on that gear icon that's showing right upper side. Then open account from here. At the bottom side, you will see here this delete account. If you click on it, it will ask you some of questions that why you are deleting this account. At last, it will offer you free trial to stop you by deleting your account. You can select here, delete your account and click continue. Then it will ask you, tell us why you are leaving. You can select the reason. I don't want to pay. And then you can tell us more about that and click continue. At last, it will show you this type of offer to join Badoo Premium for 3 days. You can avail this offer by just clicking on Badoo Premium. Click OK and you will get this. In case if that didn't work, you can create your new account here. So that's how you can activate Badoo Premium for free in just few easy steps.